Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal. I am Aman Jain. I am currently working in Nosgay Public School, Nanak Matta as assistant teacher. I mainly teach science and maths up to class 10th level. In past, from 2015, I have taught in many CBSE schools like Shiksha Bharati, Shivalik Academy, St. Xavier, Isayam International School, Helpline Public School. I am also running my own tuition classes with name Chain Tutorials from 2010. Up till now, from 2010, more than 100 students has been taught by me of different schools, some of which are now doctors, engineers, teachers, CAs, etc. Today, I want to tell you all about what actually a tuition should be. Presently, the tuitions which are going in the market are like the child has come in tuition. They have asked them to complete the child school homework. They ask the child to do that homework in the notebook, tuition notebook, correct them. They ask the child to revise it, learn it, and then send the child back. That is the old fashion of tuitions. But now the time has changed. Today is the time of competitions, and a child requires overall development so that he can achieve something good in future and clear those competitions exam. So in my tuition, I used to plan a weekly timetable for each subject, which mainly include math, science, GK, English, reasoning, which are very important for competitions level and for overall growth of child for upcoming future. In my tuition, I used to conduct monthly tests, activities, competitions, quizzes, and for achieving good in that competitions, activities, or tests, I used to give them awards like medals, trophies, chocolates, gifts, cash prize, etc. If they achieve something better in their schools also, for that also I used to give them reward and awards. In my tuition, I used to teach them like reasoning. I used to conduct science practicals which are possible for me to conduct through the school, through the materials which are available at home. I used to conduct some activities. My aim is to develop a child for their future and for the competition which they will face in competitions. So I used to teach them as per that. My tuition is doesn't means that child has to only give school's exam. My planning is for the future, what they will do in the future. In my tuition there are also a collection of more than 50 books which I call as mini library of Chen tutorials. And in maybe upcoming future there will be many books for them. Science material will be there, activities material will be there. If you all will support me, everything will be available to the child in future. Even if you are thinking that I am just promoting my coaching classes to get more children, to get your child in my tuition, so if you think that it is all fake, you can check my channel and see the videos in my channel that what I am speaking that is actually happening or not. Thank you.